What's up guys? Sarap ng vlog. So ngayon, nandito kami sa Diman. So ngayon guys ay isang program.
Guys, nagsimulan na ng program.
Oo guys.
Pakita mo nga, pakita mo.
Bago ko mapakita, meron kong nagkukos dito.
Serious na to guys.
Oo guys. Kanina naman nice guys. System namin.
Hello guys.
So guys. Hindi Christmas party.
Christmas party namin sa bike guys.
Hindi Christmas party to guys. Christmas party to guys.
Pakita mo.
Ay, notisan. Notisan. Ah, notisan na na. Yak si Kiko. So ayun guys, nag-isip dito kung kumuha ba yung hotdog sa harap. Ano ba yung hotdog? Oo. Yung libre.
Libre?
Oo.
Doon lang guys.
Oo, doon lang guys.
Target locked.
Yeah guys.
Kain kami mamaya guys. So ubusin namin lahat ng pagkain doon sa harap.
VIP kami doon guys.
Mamaya.
Oo. Namin yung matitira doon. So guys. Dito pa yung... Dito lang ng mga po. 90 ka na. Oo. Okay kami guys.
Tapos si Mr. Astig guys.
What?
Astig to guys.
Tika po.
Alam niyo ba kung bakit Mr. Astig guys? Ano? May lang. Correct kasi sa nakita tayo ni Sir Haron.
Abay.
Sir Haron. Adalag ko ni ka Mr. Astig.
Ay. Oo guys. Parang ganun guys.
Parang ganun guys.
Yung panik. Nahuli. Kung sino man yun.
Sino ba dyan guys?
Oo.
May reward daw si
5K. Ay 5M na lang guys.
5.
Oo.
Ayun guys.
Ayan guys. Itong leader, like masisin lang, pero itong leader, nag-follow na guys.
Ayun guys. Bukas. Magde-depend kami ng system guys.
Oo.
So, short vlog po yun.
Gusto niyo ba? Makita si leader na Christian Kerubin na nasa harap nagtitipid.
Guys,
Oo guys.
bukas.
Oo guys.
Magkakaalaman tayo bukas.
Oo guys.
Sana guys, matapos ko na yung mga requirements ko guys. Dahil kasi tambak na kami sa module.
Oo guys.
So ayun.
Ayan guys. Ito nga guys, magaling mag-vlogger. Mag-vlog.
Okay guys. Para lang sa grade grade.
Oo guys, for the grade.
But guys, papakita ko pa sa inyo guys. Sino yung bagong Katniel. Ang bagong Katniel ng Lawag City. Ayun guys, mamaya na guys. Bye-bye.
So kaya guys, abangan natin si Jess Bartolomeo ng XP. Ano? Si Jess Bartolomeo ng XP mamaya. Tingnan natin yung kanina. Oh! Ha?
Hospitality and Tourism Management! Ang doors ng pagkakalabang School of Nursing! Hindi sa natakot ako, partner. Gusto nito ulit na maging pasyente. Alright, School of Engineering, Architecture, and Information Technology naman kayo! 23. Sige. School, may you first introduce Attorney Gibor Vizqueta.
Look at this dude.
Tsaka yun, guys. Basta.
Ano no? Bato guys. Oo guys.
Oo.
Biglaan kasi to.
Biglang, guys. Kami na yung mga galing sa IT, guys. Darian. Ano.
Oh guys, manood tayo guys.
Oo, guys.
Information Technology. Yun silang may mga pasabog this year. Reminder lang po, while we are having the quiz B, please stay, may we please
Look at this
remain
dude.
silent para makapag-focus po ang ating mga participants. And at the same time, I will be reading the question twice. Anyways, it will be flashed on screen. Under the easy round, the liturgy and Christian traditions. First question. The third. Go. The correct answer is A. B. It is a Christian feast.
Siyain, wrong.
B. Go. The correct answer is A. Tagaw. Sunday.
Siyain, wrong. SN, wrong. Sase, correct. SHTM, correct.
Jesus. Go. Answers up. The correct answer is letter A. Caspar, Melchor, and Balthazar.
SBA correct. SHTM correct. SASE correct. SN correct. SN correct. Ay, what support? Sayain wrong.
Luke emphasized A. Luke, B. John, C. Mark, D. Matthew. Go. Answers up. The correct answer is letter D. Gospel of Matthew.
Sayain correct. Walang sayain, walang cheer. SN wrong. SASE wrong. Ay, correct. SHTM wrong. SBA correct.
Who popularized? Just a clue. What drink popularized Santa Claus's present iconic color? Answers up. Answers up. The correct answer is Coke or Coca-Cola.
SBA wrong. SHTM, raise your answer.
Sayang SHTM.
Okay, wrong. SASE correct. S correct. Sayain correct.
This is an iconic symbol of Filipino Christmas that was first crafted in 1908 by a Kapampangan artist named Francisco Estanislao. This is an iconic symbol of the Filipino Christmas that was first crafted in 1908 by a Kapampangan artist named Francisco Estanislao. Go! Okay, raise your board. The correct answer is parol.
Sayain correct. SN correct. SASE correct. SHTM correct. SBA correct.
Next question. Who is Father Christmas? Who is Father Christmas? Go. Raise your boards. The correct answer is Santa Claus.
Okay. Sayain correct. SN wrong. SASE correct. SHTM wrong. SBA no answer. Wrong.
Question number 7. Where is the Christmas capital of the Philippines? Where is the Christmas capital of the Philippines? What? Go. Answers up. San Fernando, Pampanga.
The correct answer is San Fernando, Pampanga. We will not consider Pampanga because there are lots of municipalities in Pampanga. So only School of Nursing got the correct answer.
Question number 10. True or false? During the Christmas truce in 1914, British and German troops broke into singing and played football. True or false? During the Christmas truce in 1914, British and German troops broke into singing and played football. Go.
Kerubin.
Answers up. The correct answer is false.
Sayain wrong. SN wrong. SASE correct. SHTM wrong. SBA correct.
Soccer. Hindi po football. May we have recap of the scores?
Wala guys,
During
namin.
Christmas,
guys.
Because
Wala.
of the belief on washing away God's
Oh,
blessing.
basic lang yung crispy. Nice G. Oo. Oo, tanong. Grade
In the
yan.
Filipino Christmas
Quiz secure.
it is that we must not do
Ang galing natin, guys.
Grade secure guys.
Yes, 95 matik. Ayun lang, guys.
raise your board.
Ay, yan. So, punta kami sa harap para sa misa. Para dagdag pa sa langit din.
Oh guys.
Oo, guys.
Sako lang kami sa kahapon guys.
Kahapon,
Kasi...
guys. Busy sa system, guys.
Oh guys.
Sa requirement.
Let's go guys.
Let's go, guys. Para naman makabawi-bawi ako sa simbahan, guys.
Oh guys.
Oo, guys.
Nyo kasi ito guys.
Ah, ano? Langgong. Gago. Wala, guys. Sobrang galing namin doon, guys. Sa crispy. Matic secure. Secure. Ayan, guys. Papunta na. Easy.
Dito magto guys.
So, yan. So, ayan guys, kakarating ko lang. So, ayan yung Christmas program namin kanina. So, ayan, dito ko na lang tatapusin yung vlog. So, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And see you guys in another vlog. Peace out, bye.